her friends at work, and one of my close friends at the time, they mentioned me to her, said I was a good guy, and my friend said that she was a good girl, mentioned me to her and said I was a good guy, and we just started messaging, and then we finally went on our first date and just hit it off and been together ever since. We've been together for about 6 years. We've known each other for about 8. I'm looking forward to me and her spending a life together, her becoming a Roberts, furthering the Roberts name and tradition, and just traveling the world and being together. Feel amazing, excited, nervous, ready for you to be a Roberts. I love you.
Jacob and I were set up by friends, and that first date, I knew he was the one. I'm just looking so forward to spending the rest of my life with Jacob, traveling and just having our date nights of just movies and just relaxing at home, being with each other. I absolutely love Jacob. Jacob just makes me feel so special. He makes me feel like a princess, and I never ask for anything. He's always there to guide me and to be my strength when I don't have it. Jacob, I absolutely love you, Nugget. You are my soulmate, and my life began when I met you, and I love you, and I'm so excited that we made it to this day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you walk that aisle and me walk down to you, because I love you.
Great marriages don't just happen. They don't happen by saying, I do. A great marriage must be created. But a great marriage requires constant work and effort from both of you. The number one essential of a healthy marriage is to allow God to control our lives. So your number one goal in your marriage is putting Him first and trusting Him. Secondly, celebrate your differences. John Maxwell made a famous comment one time. I guess he made it up. I don't know. He said, if two of you think exactly alike, one of you is not needed. So there's going to be differences in opinions, in thoughts, in ways that we do things. But why do some couples' differences pull them apart and other couples' differences draw them together? It's that God designed men and women to be very different. As couples, we can use these differences to complement and serve each other. Often we try to change our spouses in the name of love, and it doesn't work. A better option is to love our spouses even if they never change. Thirdly, cultivate communication. Fourth, nurture romance. Continue to have date nights, hold hands, do little things for each other. It's important to do that. And then fifthly, hurry home. It's so important to a healthy marriage that your time together is a priority. Now, understand your own schedules are different, and that's hard to work out sometimes, but don't let work get in the way of your marriage. Your marriage is much more important. Number 6, finish together. More and more people are putting divorce on the table as an option. You need to just take that, cut it out of your dictionary as you begin your life together. One essential thing every healthy marriage needs is security. And people need to know that together as a couple, they can work out anything. So plan now to finish together. Jacob, will you have Danielle to be your wife, your constant friend, your faithful partner, and the love of your life from this day forward?
I will.
Did you hear that? Okay, good. Okay. Danielle, will you have Jake to be your husband, your constant friend, your faithful partner, and the love of your life from this day forward?
I will.
By the power invested to me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ and the state of Arkansas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Go for it. Okay, turn that way. Let me be the first to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Jacob Roberts.